Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Cloud Workload Identity Federation step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Cloud Workload Identity Federation, start by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the I Am an Admin section. Select Workload Identity Federation. Click on the Create a Pool button. Enter a name for your pool. Choose an appropriate location from the drop-down menu. Select the option that corresponds to the identity provider you want to use, such as OpenID Connect or SAML. Fill in the necessary fields, including the provider name and the issuer URL. Configure the attributes based on your identity provider's specifications. Click on Create to finalize the pool setup. Next, you need to configure a provider under the newly created pool. Select Add Provider. Specify the identity provider type and enter the required details. Now, click Create to set up the provider. Once the provider is established, navigate to Service Accounts in the I Am section. Click on Create Service Account. Provide a name and description for your service account. Under Service Account Permissions, assign the necessary roles for your workload. Click on Done to complete the service account creation. Return to the Workload Identity Federation pool. Select your pool and click on Add Members. Add the service account to the pool. Assign the required roles for access. Now, it's time to set up the authentication in your application. Use the identity provider's SDK or API to authenticate the user. Obtain the token from the identity provider once the user is authenticated. Exchange the token for a Google Cloud Access token using the appropriate API endpoint. Once you receive the Google Cloud Access token, you can use it to make API requests. Make sure to test your configuration to ensure everything is working correctly. If issues arise, check your service account roles and provider settings. That's it. You have successfully set up authentication using Google Cloud Workload Identity Federation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.